This is not a way to
reference of newspaper. Newspaper is not a privilege. It is me privilege.
Please sit down. When the chair
It is me privilege, sir.
when the chair is on his feet, you have to sit down. Please
You
sit down.
understand?
Sir, he has to sit down.
Chair
Mr.
is not
Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, this is a mockery. Completely a mockery. Please understand. Honorable member, please understand. Please, this is not the place where we just playing drama.
Please sit down.
Please.
Please sit down. The chair is on his feet. When the chair
They
is
are
on his
part
feet,
of the team. It's not run by one individual. And as far as I know, the Chief Minister is Sangma, the Deputy Chief Minister is Tinsong, and the Deputy Chief Minister from Gentia Hills is Mr. Thap. So therefore, sir, let's not make this kind of allegations and remarks which are really very, very petty, sir. Sir, I have not disturbed the honourable member, sir. He'll have his chance.
On the Rule 300, sir, point of order, sir. I raise a point of order. Sir, Rule 54, whenever we submit for a call attention, sir, and Rule 54.2, there shall be no debate on such statement at the time it is made. So, sir, do you allow to have a debate? If you allow, then we will debate. I'm ready to debate for you, with you, sir. It doesn't mean that you'll take advantage of this call attention and express what you feel only. We have. When you talk about the mindset, we know what is the mindset. There is a difference between the mindset of a tribal and the mindset of those who have been upbringing outside the state, sir. So when you want to talk about mindset, let us talk about the mindset. What kind of mindset you are talking? You think just because we raise issues concerning the state that we are narrow-minded?
Honorable member, please.
Don't try to insinuate. Don't try to insinuate.
Because
you speak straight to the call attention. Address the point that I've raised in the call attention. If you want to debate, let us have another platform to debate, sir. You can extend the house.
Yes, already.
Can we allow you to just speak alone?
Please stop. Please stop.
Deputy Speaker, sir,
Sir, may I be allowed to finish
point
my
of
reply,
order.
sir?
I'm raising a point of order under Rule 300 in respect of Rule 54.1 of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. I think the content of this very rule is itself self-explanatory. We have seen very often the Chief Minister standing on his feet, raising point of order, advising the members of this August House to ensure that we take cognizance of essence of time. The same applies to everybody. And the rule is specific. The minister in charge will make a brief statement only. Nothing beyond that. Therefore, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, let us go by the rules. We are privileged to have lots of new members, so they will follow what we, therefore we should lead by example. There is one part, and another, Mr. Speaker, sir, another point of order.
I think
under Rule 300, pertaining to 151, Rule 151, which is pertaining to our supplementary demands for grants, and read Rule 144, Sub-Rule 3, Sub-Rule 2 and Sub-Rule 3. Today we have demands for grants in the form of supplementary demands. And the rule is very clear, which is advisory, that on the day when demands for grants are taken up, no other matters are taken up usually. Because passing these demands are very important for the August House. Because every naya paisa that we intend to spend has to be voted by this House. And when this House is voting, the importance of scrutinizing the proposal by the House is important. So that is the spirit of these SDs. This is the spirit of allowing cut motions. Therefore, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, we have been watching, but it has become a precedent that on the day when demand for grants are taken up, supplementary demands are taken up, we have been taking up too many items which is in contradiction to this rule. So I would like to make a submission from now on in future, I think we should follow that part. Because demands for grants are crucial. Let us all. It helps the government. It helps the minister when cut motions are brought. You know, because when this is done, I will also come up with another point of order, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. But I would like to submit through you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. Let the time, the essence of time be appreciated by all. Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker.
Thank you. Now, I would ask whether Honorable Member Ardent Basumat has any.
Sir, again, point of order, sir. If you're all saying that we should follow the rules, it says there's no debate, sir. So the reply's been done and the matter
You've
ends.
started.
I was replying. Debate means
It is not a
debate means
reply.
we go
It is an
back
advantage
and
that you
forth.
want to show.
Sir, I'm speaking, sir. I did not interfere. So I would appreciate if the honourable member would not interfere when I speak.
Get emotional.
He has
So
to.
who got emotional? We saw. So the point is,
emotional.
sir,
That you are a leader.
that this is a call attention, sir. And I would request that since the already reply's been done, so we can move forward, sir, is what I would urge you, sir.
He can seek one clarification if he is willing to. If you have any.
So I don't want to ask any clarification.
Okay.
I've understood the mind of the Chief Minister.
Thank you.
I'm ready to debate with him one day, sir.
Thank you. Now we'll come to the next call attention. Dr. M. Ampari Lindo, MLA, to lay a statement relating to a call attention notice of Sri Adelbert Nongram, MLA, to the caption, State Open Quota MBBS, shit not for outsider health minister.
So,
Dr. M. Ampari Lindo, please.
excuse madam. So, may I request you,
I
sir?
beg to lay a
Sir,
statement
May I
relating
request
to
you,
a
sir?
calling attention notice, sir,
Point of order,
of Sri
sir.
Adelbert
The rule
Nongram
300,
to the caption,
I refer.
state open
refer,
quota
rule
MBBS
54,
seats,
rule-
not
rule
for
54.
outsiders,
5.
health minister.
How can honorable
unquote,
minister
sir.
lay
Yeah.
simply
Now we
the-
come to next call
Deputy
attention.
Speaker, sir, you have asked me to
How come
lay.
the
Can
honourable
I please
minister
lay?
lay simply the reply without having without
Sir,
giving,
we are
an
making a
opportunity
mockery
to
out
work.
of the system, sir. There is, the rules
You are
are very
playing
clear.
mockery.
So
You are the
rules
one
say
playing
that
mockery.
not more than one such matter, and the senior member, Dr. Mukul Sangma, has already, honourable member
You
Songsak
should
has
not
already mentioned.
deprive my right.
Sir,
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
No one can take the privilege.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
You are playing mockery. You are the
Mr.
one playing mockery.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think
Without
I
giving-
have heard very
without-
carefully
without hearing the member to present the
submission
matter.
made by
How can we accept
our senior
just
leader,
simply,
Dr. Mukul Sangma, that
just simply
we have to strictly
with
follow
the-
as per rules. Sir, I would like, sir, just a minute, sir. Sir, I would like to suggest like this. As far as to the honourable member from Shillong North, sir, I would humbly request through you, sir, that he should read the rules point by point, line by line. I think that is very important. Otherwise, we are just wasting our time. So please, sir, the other day he said that Deputy Sam, he's always expunge. But I have to say that as per the rules. So, sir, I would humbly request him through you, sir, let him please study the rules.
Okay. As per Rule 54, Clause 3, Subclause 3, which says not more than one call attention can be taken up in the same day. This has been the practice and convention followed so far. On other call attention listed for the day, I have allowed for the minister in charge to only lay a statement, reply on the subject matter. So, Minister in charge, you may do it, please.
Sir,
This is, the
just-
matter is
sir,
closed.
please,
No,
just-
I can
Honourable
only,
Speaker,
no,
sir,
no.
I have
Please
laid-
sit down. Please sit down.
This rule is
No,
Honourable
no,
Speaker, sir, I have laid my statement as per
no.
required,
Please
sir.
sit down. Please sit down. The matter is closed. Please sit down. I will not consent.
What do you want?
The rule clearly says that only one call attention matter can be taken up in the same day.
the proposed matter shall be raised. I haven't raised. How can we?
No, you don't
accept the
no need to
reply?
raise.
Lay.
But
It
the
says
reply
lay.
is being laid.
Yes, understood.
The reply statement is being laid.
Because I have
Please sit down.
submitted to the
Please sit
office,
down.
to a esteemed office, just by reference.
Please, please sit down. This
the
is not
newspaper.
a way to
Reference of
conduct yourself.
newspaper. Newspaper is not a privilege. It is me privilege.
Please sit down.
When the
It
chair
is me privilege, sir.
when the chair is on his feet, you have to sit down. Please
I
sit down.
understand.
Sir, he has to sit down.
Chair
Mr.
is not
Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, this is a mockery. Completely a mockery. Please understand. Honorable member, please
on
understand.
his feet. The chair
Please,
is on his
this
feet.
is
Please
not
sit
the
down.
place where we
Please sit
just
down.
playing drama.
Please sit down.
Please.
Please sit down. The chair is on his feet. When the chair